Hello and welcome to Math 200 Online Statistics at Cañada College. We will be doing a homework problem using Google Sheets. In this problem, they want us to look at the list of numbers. They are the amount of mercury found in tuna sushi sampled from different stores. They want us to find the range, variance, and standard deviation. And a follow-up question, what would the value of the measures of variation if the tuna sushi contained no mercury? So we need to find the range, the variance, and the standard deviation. Let's go ahead and copy this onto our clipboard and get it prepared to paste onto our Google Sheets. So they want us to find a range, variance, and standard deviation. In Google Sheets, there's no real formula for the range, but we can find the maximum and the minimum and subtract them. So we're going to type in the max of all these numbers, close parentheses, minus the min of all those numbers. And we get something weird here. This is equals, it's supposed to be a minus. And so we get 63.63. Let's try putting in that value, 0.63. Now they want us to find the variance. For the variance formula, we'll say equal and VAR, variance. We want to select the range of values and press enter, and we get 0.07468. They generally want us to round off to some set of numbers. Since the original data set had 2 decimal places, they're probably going to want us to round off to 3 decimal places. Again, it's 0.0746. So the 4 is a third decimal place. The 6 is bigger than 5, so we'll add 1 to the 4, and we get 0.075. Let's try putting that number in, 0.075. And then our standard deviation has a formula STDEV, a range of numbers, and then we get 0.2732, so 3 decimal places, 0.273. 0.273. The follow-up question will ask, what would the value of the measures of the standard deviation if the tuna contained no mercury? So if the tuna contained no mercury, then everything would be 0. And if everything is 0, then there is no variation. So 0, well, it doesn't have to be 0, it just all have to be the same number. And if it's all the same number, then there's no variation, there's 0 standard deviation. And so the measurement would just be 0. Check our answer, and that looks good. I hope that helps.